Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Everybody, welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Don't mind my table, please don't. I'm in my basement and this needs cleaning real bad. Anywho, don't judge me. I have another bowling ball that I have to make into a gazing ball. So first thing I'm gonna do this time is fill these holes. We're gonna see how that works. I'm gonna use some silicone, clear silicone, multi-purpose, and fill these holes. I'm gonna sit it in this top so it doesn't roll around. And let's see how this works. Whoa. Let me get down in there first. Let's see. I can't see. I want to get it all the way down. Fill this hole up and let this dry. I need gloves. I know I brought some down. Oh, here they are. Let me put on a glove. Silicone stinks. It smells like vinegar. Let me just push that down in there. It probably has some air pockets, but it's okay. If it just glazes over and closes up that hole, that's what I want. Okay, let me close these two up. And then what I'm going to do next after it dries is spray paint this whole ball. I haven't done that in the past, but I seem to always get burgundy balls. Pause. I'm sorry. Burgundy bowling balls, and the color kind of shows through the gems that I put on. So I'm going to, I haven't decided what color yet, but I'm going to spray paint it. So I'm going to get down in that hole and try to avoid air pockets and then work my way up. Okay, that's finger hole number 2, and I'll just smooth that over like that. And now I'll fill this last finger hole. They're deep too. Yeah, that goes in pretty far. Let me stick this all the way down and work it up. Avoid the air pocket so that the silicone doesn't settle and move down. If it does, I'll just have to top it off. Come over it with some more after it dries. Let's move that one over. Okay. Now before this dries, I'm going to try and wipe it off of the bowling ball. Now this silicone in these holes is rather thick, so I have no idea how long this is going to take to dry. But once it's dry, then I'm going to spray paint it. Now I need to find a nail or something to stick down in this silicone so that it doesn't waste. So I'll be back. I don't know when, but I'll be back. Oh, just so y'all see how I cover this so that it doesn't dry out, I stuck a pin, a tack pin, a thumb, I don't know what you call these things. It's got a little pearl top. In the top of this thing, I cut one of the fingers off of this glove and covered that top. Then I covered it with the whole glove, took 2 fingers of the glove and tied it. Keep that air out, keep it from drying out. And I'm going to put a rubber band around this to store it until I'm ready to use it again. Just a little tip, just a little tip. Silicone dried really good. It's a little concave, but that's okay. At least it's filled. So I won't have a problem sticking gems on here. But what I did was I took a sanding board, sanding block, and sanded off the top coat of this ball, whatever coating they had on here, just so that I'm thinking that the paint would adhere a little better. So now I'm going to spray paint it. I have washed the bowling ball off with hot soapy water to get all that dust off from sanding it. And now we're going to see what this paint does. I want to use this Krylon Dual Superior. It's a gold metallic. And I just want this as a base before I start decorating this bowling ball to change it into a gazing ball. And the purpose of this video is just to show you how I am prepping the bowling balls to turn them into the gazing balls. Not sure how I'm going to decorate it yet. That will probably be another video. So let's see how this gold sticks. It's pretty, it's pretty, it's pretty. And I'll let it dry and then turn it over and do that bottom side. It's rather heavy. I have it on this turntable so that I can get all sides. And like I said, I just want this as a base because it seems like every bowling ball that I seem to come across is like a burgundy color. And I just don't want the burgundy to show through the stones that I put on here. I would prefer a prettier color, like gold or silver, a metallic. Okay, I'll let that dry. And I'll flip it over and do the other side off camera. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see um, a video with the application of the stones or however I'm going to decorate. I might do a little something different this time. Not sure. Thinking it out. That'll be coming soon. It's cold now. It's no hurry for this gazing ball. But the thing with these gazing balls, you don't have to worry about them tipping over and breaking. The glass gazing balls, I've had so many to break. This one will be sturdy, will not go anywhere. It's a little heavy, but they turn out nice. Thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have, I thank you. I appreciate you. For all of you OGs and then for all of you newcomers. Much appreciated. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.